Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to start the session with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Okay. So, what does that mean? Artificial intelligence. Nowadays, the people are running behind what is meant by artificial intelligence. We are not getting the artificial intelligence information. We are not able to understand what does that then mean, and we have so much of gap in that. How we can attain that knowledge in instantly. What does it mean, artificial intelligence? I will show you the simple example of what is artificial intelligence introduction, and we can get some information in that. Then after that, after going into the deep knowledge only, we can understand what is an artificial intelligence means. Okay. So I will show you the few things like we have the few slides here for the beginners. If at all still you're not aware of the artificial intelligence, you people can see these slides. If you're aware of the artificial intelligence, what is the use of artificial intelligence means, you can ignore this. If you have the idea for artificial intelligence, you can ignore. Okay, now we are going to start with what is meant by artificial intelligence. Those who are beginners, they can start following these things. What does it mean, artificial intelligence means nowadays? Why this is occupying all over the world? Now we will see that. Okay, now from yes, yeah, this is the introduction to artificial intelligence. We have this is like a shaping the future with a smart machine. So that means if the man or the man or the woman, if the computer wants to speak like a man or a woman, then he or she has to mimic that. That means, hello, what you're doing? Yes, I'm speaking with you. That has to be given the answers from the opposite people, right? So in this part, the opposite people will be a machine. You mimic that. So automatically, the machine will be answering your questions, like any type of questions, which will be a big complex questions or a small questions, or if you want to prepare an images and all, you can all these things you can have in this. Now I will show you the second slide. See here. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. That means how the human behaves. In the same way, the artificial intelligence also behaves like that. What does that mean? Understanding the language. If you're speaking in English, then it will then it will answer you in the English. If you're speaking in other languages, also it will answer you in the same languages. Okay. So this is the thing why the artificial intelligence we say is like what we are speaking, the answer will be getting in the same language. Okay. And if you show some images also, it will recognize some images. If you want to make some decisions from your side, then it will make the decisions also. If you want to have the experience, or you don't have the knowledge of that, you can ask that any type of things from the artificial intelligence. That will give you in instantly, like learning from the experience, making decisions, recognizing the images, understanding the languages. Okay. Now the second, now AI in simple words. AI in simple, as I told you before, artificial intelligence means machine that think and act like humans. Machines that think and act like humans. It helps computers solve problems, learn, and get better over time, just like humans do. Just like humans do. But it will be fast. It will be fast. Okay. Now here, how this artificial intelligence evolved, like how this started, what are the subsets of artificial intelligence, how this has started. This has so many things, whereas we know only the AI on the front end, but for the in the back end we have all these technologies, all this work has gone into this, machine learning, like deep learning, like natural processing, like computer vision, robotics, and all. See, if you want to learn what is a machine learning means, and again that is a separate topic. If you want to learn what is a deep learning means, again that is a separate topic. If you want what is a NLP means, again that is a separate topic. Like it will say you about the human brains, like how the brains will work, how this robotics will act like a humans. This is like everything is imbibed in these machines, like computer vision, understanding the images, videos, and sounds and music and all. Everything will be imbibed in this. Then, then what they have did is they have integrated to the robotics. The robotics is nothing but you are seeing for the past 30 to 40 years. What is the robotics means? You will find all the robots and all. They will be having all the computer vision in them, and they will be speaking like a human. Okay. So how they are speaking means because of artificial intelligence, they have inserted into the robotics. So they have integrated with the robotics. Okay. Now, examples of artificial, where we can find this artificial intelligence, you can find in the Google Assistant. So like we have, suppose if you have a problem, or suppose if you want to write any email, or else if you want to ask anything in the browser, then we have the Google Assistants. As you know, Alexa and Siri and all, where we can play the songs, where we can see, where we can have the Siri and all. Suppose and that too nowadays the Tesla has the so much of things like it will drive the cars by itself. This is a self-driving car, and the face recognition in phones. Nowadays you have the phones also. When you keep your phone in front of you, then automatically it will recognize you and opens the lock, right? And you have the Netflix or the YouTube recommendation from the Wi-Fi, right? When you search for some name, then automatically you will get the number of names in that. Then if you search in the YouTube, then automatically it will suggest you some of the names as you search, right? And now and few for the past few years, so like we have the chatbots and the virtual assistants also. The chatbots is nothing but where you are there or not, automatically the machine will speak with you. Like if you have the WhatsApp, they're like have sent a resume to your company, and then automatically we'll get a message from the WhatsApp like, oh yes, we have received your message, our agent will call you. Okay, these are the things will be like we called it as a chatbots and the virtual assistants. So no human will be there, but automatically the process will be done. Then one more. Why is AI is important? Why is AI? I will tell you the simple example. Why is it? Don't be scared about the AIs and all. Why it is important nowadays? Nowadays, suppose if you want to save your work, if you want to work very smartly, then you use the AI. That's all. Like it saves us time and effort. We don't need to think too much of thinking now. We don't need to get our hearts bald. So we can get the information throughout this artificial intelligence. If you are a coder, or if you are a writer, or if you are a content writer, or if you want to learn anything from the artificial intelligence, you can learn anything. Can think easily also nowadays. Okay, and if you want to make a mail, suppose if you want to write an email, you can draft that email within seconds in that, and it reduce the human errors. Suppose if you are doing the errors like quotations and all, comma and all, or else full stops from your English sentence, then it will automatically clears that grammar, clears that. You have the application like a grammar of application also nowadays. Then automates the routine work. As I told you, the WhatsApp is a simple llama from the Zuckerberg. It occupies with the Meta Llama model that it. Suppose if you give something information in the Meta, then automatically it generates you some information to reply to your friends or to your superiors or to your colleagues in the WhatsApp, right? The same thing will be there for the Facebook Insta also. Automates the routine work. Automates the, we people nothing to do. Only we need to have some information like write a response to this sentence, then automatically the response will be written by the Meta itself. Okay, improve the decision making. Suppose if you're not clear about any information, if you're not experienced person, if you don't have the knowledge in that, Nowadays, this artificial intelligence gives you more decision making, now you no need to now you no need to now you no need to confuse about the topics, these topics I don't know, that topics I don't. You can search n number of topics in this. That improves decision making. Like if you want to make that, you can make that. If you don't want to make that, you can don't want to. Everything will be suggested by this artificial. But blindly don't believe all these things. But go and search, research the text, research the data, research the volumes of music, volumes of browsing things, and text and images, videos also. Okay. And nowadays, I think Sora has come now. Sora is coming now. You can make the videos also. You can make the audios also. Suppose if you give a single line of a video, then automatically it will make you some video clip. Nowadays, you don't want to take the pictures also. Automatically, the AI will generate the pictures. Okay. Now, the next one is helps in healthcare, education. I'm sorry. Helps in healthcare and education, transportation. Nowadays, healthcare means, suppose if you want the information about the tablets and all, you can get the tablets information. If you want any education information, you can get the education information. Suppose if you want the transportation information, like which bus I want to go, which train I want to enter, like all these things you can get from the AI itself. Okay. Now, how do AI systems work? See, without data, no AI will work. This is the main important thing. So when they have, while creating the artificial intelligence, they have included all the data. Even if you go to the Google Gemini, they have the web browsing data. That data is included in the web browsing. So they are showing as a Gemini to us. Okay. If you go to the Chat GPT, then that will be like a patience of Chat GPT. You can get more information in the Chat GPT. Okay. Now, how do AI systems work? Like if input means give some data. The data is nothing but a prompt engineering. It may be a text, it may be an audio, it may be an image. Okay, it will automatically takes and process in the artificial intelligence. That is, AI model analyzes the data, and the output will be the smart action or the prediction. Like it will change the photos, or it will draft some mails, or else it will draft some storylines, or else it will draft some of the things. So these things will be very easy when you have the cluster of things. I will tell you one small example. If anyone wants to search what is an artificial intelligence, as I told you, all the subset of artificial intelligence. Don't go inside and things utilize the artificial intelligence. I will tell you the simple example. If you have a car, don't search for how the glasses are coming up, how the sensor they have built in this, how the driving lights are coming, the focus lights, or how the steering is going on, what are the automations that they have built in the dashboards. Don't go inside this one. Enjoy the car, how you can drive. Like drive the car, sit in the driving car, and if you know how to drive, please drive the car and check whether that product is good or not. That's all. Don't go inside and say how they have built the dashboards, how they have built this engine, how they have built the glasses, why the glasses are coming up, what are the same sensors they have kept in the back side or in the front side. So don't go inside. Enjoy the artificial intelligence, like how I can use this. What is the use of artificial intelligence to me? So think like this. Okay, don't go deep inside into the artificial intelligence. Utilize that artificial intelligence what we have. Now, the fun fact is artificial intelligence that does not have emotions or consciousness. It follows the patterns and logic based on data. Nowadays, these things are a few years before, like they does not have emotions, they does not have or consciousness and all. Go to the chat GPT, suppose if you ask informally, to the chat GPT, a chat GPT will politely says that I am sorry, I did not get you. I will find few more answers for you. Please be patient. I'm sorry for that. So it will respond to you like this. That means in future days also we are waiting, or we are going to get the emotions and consciousness in the robotics, in the artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, the future of artificial intelligence. So, what is the future of artificial intelligence? So, more intelligent virtual assistants, Like we can use this throughout our life things. Nowadays itself, in the phone itself, we have got Meta, Llama, Llama model. We are using the Meta. Like we are going to use Meta without thinking. We are writing the information in English, in Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi languages and all. Without knowing the language, also we are writing by using this artificial intelligence typing. Okay, by using the Meta, yeah. You can use all these things through the FB also, through the Insta also. So there will be more assistance in this. When you have your laptops also, you can get the laptops in MS Office, Windows 11. You can find the artificial intelligence in the Excel sheet, in the wording, in the words, in the PowerPoint. You have more number of things in the Windows 11. Okay. Now, personalized learning. Nowadays, no need of someone who can guide us to say, do this one, do that one. We have artificial intelligence. When you ask something, the question should be as a polite question. If you ask politely, then the answer will be in a polite manner. If you ask in an angry manner, or a informal manner, you will not get the answer correctly. So the prompt should be correct prompt, and smarter robots will be there. Have you heard about the Amazon's robots? Like in few like data centers and all, in few places we can find the robotics. In the healthcare also, we are seeing the robots now. They're doing the operations for the human beings. Have you heard about this? I think you have heard about this and all. So in future we are getting all these things. Creating tools. You see, we used to have all the music instrument in front of us, and we will be playing that music and tools and all. But here, when you get the artificial intelligence, so you can play the music, you can add the music, you can combine the music. So all these things will be done with a single man. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, for your patiently, and I hope you understand a few things of what is an artificial intelligence and all. If you have any questions and queries, please write in the question bank. I will be answering you. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thank you, guys.